Hello children. So our topic for today is working with Microsoft Office Word 2010. So children, we all know that MS Word 2010 is a word processor where we can create various kinds of documents like letters, faxes, covers, etc. So today we are going to learn about various features used in MS Word 2010. Now let's start the session and learn about them in detail.
Microsoft Word 2010 is a word processing program. It is designed to help to create documents. Microsoft Word 2010 helps us to organize and write the documents more efficiently. It also includes powerful editing and revising tools so that we can collaborate with others easily. Finding and applying a template. MS Word 2010 also allows us to apply built-in templates. We can type text in it. Go with these steps to select any template. On the File tab, click New. Under Available Templates. To use one of the built-in templates, click Installed Templates. Click the template that we want and then click Create. To reuse a template that we have recently used, click Recent Templates. Click the template that we want and then click Create. To use our own template that we previously created, click My Templates. Click the template that we want and then click OK. A specimen copy of the selected template will appear. Click on Create. We will see that a new template is opened. Now we can start the work on it. Remember, we can also create a new document using the shortcut key Ctrl+N. Entering text in Microsoft Word 2010. The text is entered in the document with the help of a keyboard. Keyboard consists of many keys. We have learned about them in earlier classes. To enter text, all of the keys are used. The insertion point appears on the working area as we create a new document. Typing starts from the insertion point. Go with these steps to enter text. Type the text in the document with the help of keyboard. To start typing from a new line or a new paragraph, press the Enter key. As we type the text after pressing the Enter key, Microsoft Word 2010 automatically wraps the text to the next line when we reach at the end of a line. Words get underlined automatically having spelling errors. Remember, in Microsoft Word 2010, spelling mistakes get underlined in red color and grammatical mistakes in green color. Formatting text. Formatting text can be done to make the document look beautiful and attractive. There are various ways to format text. For example, changing the color of the text, bold, italic or underline text, changing the font of the text, changing the size of the text, aligning text, adding word art. Let's know how we can format the text. Changing the color of the text. Go with these steps to change the color of the text. Select the text to change its color. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Font Color arrow. A drop-down list of colors will appear. Click on the color that we want to apply. Now the color of the selected text will get changed. Bold, italic or underline the text. To highlight the important information in a document, we can bold, italicize or underline the text. Go with these steps to bold, italic or underline the text. Select the text which we want to bold, italicize or underline. Click on the Home tab. Click on one of the following buttons: bold, italicize, underline. Now the selected text is changed. Changing the font of the text. Go with these steps to change the font of the text. Select the text which we want to change to a different font. Click on the Home tab. Click on the font arrow. A drop-down list of the font will appear. Click on the font that we want to apply on the selected text. Now we can see that the font of the selected text is changed to a new font. Changing the size of the font. Go with these steps to change the size of the font. Select the text that we want to change to different font size. Click on the Home tab. Click on the font size arrow. A drop-down list of different font sizes will appear. Click on the font size that we want to apply. Now we can see that the size of the text selected by us is changed to the new font size. Aligning text. We need to align text in the document to give it the neat look that is vital in documentation. MS Word 2010 offers text alignment to center, left and right aligned to the selected text. Go with these steps to align text. Select the text that we want to align. Click on the Home tab. Click on one of the following buttons: left align, center align, right align, justify text. We can see that the selected text is aligned. Right align, justify, left align, center align. Adding word art. Word art is a text modifying feature in Microsoft Word 2010, a popular word processing program. It includes effects such as shadows, outlines, color, gradients, and 3D effects that can be added to a word or phrase. Word art can also blend, stretch, skew, or modify the shape of the text. Go with these steps to add word art. Select the text which we want to convert into word art. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the word art. A drop-down list of various word art will appear. Click on the word art that we want to use. Now, the selected text changes into the word art. Remember, the word art appears in a text box. We can hide the text box by clicking outside the text box. Bullets and numbering. We can add a bullet or numbers to highlight the words and sentences. A black dot is known as bullet. We can quickly add bullets or numbers to existing lines of text, or MS Word 2010 can automatically create lists as we type. Numbering is used to type words and sentences in an order. Go with these steps to add bullets and numbers to the text. Select the text to which we want to add bullets. Click on the Home tab. Click on the following buttons. It is used to create bullet list. It is used to create number list. It is used to create multi-level list. Bullet list, numbering list, multi-level list. We can also change the bullets or numbering styles. Go with these steps to change the bullet or numbering styles. Select the text in which we want to add bullets. Click on the Home tab. Click on the down arrow of bullets and numbering. Click on the style that we want to use. Numbering lists can be created automatically while typing the text. Let's know how. Type 1 in the document. Press the spacebar key. Type the sentence. Press the enter key. The next number 2 is automatically displayed. Type the other sentence. Repeat steps 4 and 5 for further typing. Press the enter key twice to stop the numbering. Changing line spacing. Changing line spacing is used to change space between two lines of the text. Go with these steps to change line spacing. Select the text we want to change line spacing. Click on the Home tab. Click on the Line Spacing button. List of different line spacing will appear. Click on the option we want to use. By default, there is one line spacing in Microsoft Word. We can see that the line spacing changes to 1.5. Using Mail Merge feature. Mail Merge feature helps us to create letters for our friends and relatives. In Microsoft Word 2010, it has some default formats of pages like letters, envelopes, etc. Go with these steps to use Mail Merge feature. Open Microsoft Word 2010 document on which we want to use the Mail Merge feature. Click on the Mailings tab. Click on the Start Mail Merge option. A drop-down list appears. Click on Letters. Click on Select Recipients. A drop-down list will appear, asking us to select the type of recipient list. Click on any one of the following. Type New List. It helps us to type new address list. Use Existing List. It helps us to use the list already typed. Select from Outlook contacts. It helps us to use the addresses from the Outlook contacts. The new address list dialog box will appear. Now, click on each heading to type the information about the person. Title, Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. First name, last name, name of the person, company name, name of the company, address line, add the address. Click on New Entry to enter another address. Repeat the previous two steps to add other addresses on the mail list. After your list of address is completed, click on OK. The Save Address List dialog box will appear. Type the name for the mailing list file in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. Now the file is saved. Click on the Edit Recipient List button on the ribbon. The Mail Merge Recipients window will appear. We will see the list of the addresses. Click on the check box to select the person. A check mark will appear in the check box before the name. Click on OK. Now, Word will create a personalized letter for all the people we have selected. Click on the page where we want to add the address. Click on the address block. The Insert Address block dialog box will appear. Click on the format we want the recipient's name to appear. The format and address will appear here. Click on OK. We will see a merge field representing the address block. Click where we want to add the greeting. Click on the Greeting Line button. The Insert Greeting Line dialog box will appear. Click on these areas to format the greeting. We can see its preview. Click on OK. Now, we will see a merge field representing the greeting line. Click on Preview Results to see the whole information. Microsoft Word will display a preview of the merged letter as shown below. Step 26. Click on the next record icon to preview the next letter. Click on the previous record icon to preview the previous letter. Click on Finish and Merge. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on Edit Individual Documents. New words. Word art. A text styling feature of Word. Word art style. The shape and formatting characteristics of a word art object.
So children, now let's learn how do we use mail merge feature, which helps us to create different letters for different purposes. So children, today we learned in detail how do we use or how do we work in MS Word 2010. So I hope now you can understand how do we open a new document, how do we save a current document, how do we create a new document, and how do we format and edit a document. We also learned about the mail merge features. So now that's it for today, students. We will be back with other sessions. Till then, take care.